In the sun-drenched park, Mirha and Hussein's laughter echoes as they begin their playful chase. The children dash around a towering oak, their energy boundless in the warm sunlight. Their laughter rings out, blending with the gentle rustle of leaves, painting a portrait of carefree joy. Nearby, their mom watches from a bench, her face radiant with a gentle smile, soaking in their innocent happiness. The living room glows warmly, a haven of peace as evening descends. Their father enters his weary frame, telling tales of a long, hard day. Yet, a tired smile flickers across his lips as he beholds his children rushing toward him. Eager to greet him, Mirha and Hussein's faces light up with pure, unfiltered joy as they rush toward their father. Hussein, in a moment of heartfelt sincerity, assures, "Papa, I'll pray for you." The father's heart swells with love, his fatigue momentarily forgotten in the warmth of his children's affection. Under the soft glow of candlelight, a family unites in silent prayer, their linked hands a symbol of shared faith and mutual support. A palpable silence fills the room, amplifying the powerful sense of unity, love, and unwavering faith that binds them. In a tender gesture, the father leans in to kiss each of his children, sealing their bond with affection and reassurance. With heartfelt sincerity, the father speaks, his words echoing the depths of his love. "You all are my true strength."
If you like this video, then like, comment, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon button for more interesting videos.